Hello, welcome back to my video series on Power BI Basics. As some of you might have noticed, I actually have access to the Power BI service. Now, this isn't something I paid for. This is a Microsoft Power BI free account. In this video, I want to talk about licensing and how you can get access to Microsoft the Power BI service. Okay, so let's talk about what that licensing might look like. So there's a few different accounts. There's a Power BI free account. And that's a completely free, and it allows you to create the reports for personal use, and you can share them externally for portfolio. There's then a Power BI Pro account, which costs $10 per month and allows you to use things like workspaces, so you can share and collaborate on the publishing of reports. And then it also includes features like data flows, incremental refresh, and paginated reports. Then finally, there's Power BI Premium per user, which is $20 a month, which includes all of the Pro features, only you can then have more data, more frequent refreshes, and more advanced data flows. Finally, there's Power BI Premium, which is where you are getting kind of organizational level licensing with dedicated cloud resources, which allows you to share Power BI dashboards with both free users and allows you to use features like Power BI Report Server for on-premise reporting. And then finally, there's Power BI Embedded, which allows you to embed a Power BI application directly into, like if you're building like a web app. And that would allow your users to view your Power BI reports without a license. So before we jump into kind of the next series of the videos, which will all be focused in on the Power BI service, just know that these are kind of the various accounts that you can have to access the service. Accessing the service is going to be a lot harder than getting access to Power BI Desktop, which is why sometimes there aren't as many videos and why you have trouble sharing your Power BI dashboards. But all that said, let's review. Okay, there are 5 different license types: Power BI Free, Pro, Premium per user, Power BI Premium, and Power BI Embedded. Those range anywhere from $10 a month all the way to 10, 15, 20,000 a month plus, depending on your Power BI premium SKU. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in kind of continuing on with us as we venture into the Power BI service and start looking at that, let me know down in the comments your questions and then subscribe. All right. Thanks for watching.